Dear students, welcome you all to session 47, chapter Dividend Policies, Financial Management, 6th semester BCom of Mangalore University. In this session, let us work out a problem on Walter's model, that is the determination of share price using Walter's dividend model. Earning per share is rupees 10, internal rate of return R is equal to 15%, capitalization rate K is 12.5%. If Walter's model is used, what should be the optimum payout ratio of the firm? What should be the price of the share at this payout ratio of the firm? How shall the price of the share be affected if 20% payout ratio was employed? So, we need to find out the optimum payout ratio of the firm and the share price at the optimum payout ratio, and also we have to find out the share price at 20% payout ratio. Now, to determine the optimum payout ratio, we should know about the type of the firm. Now, the type of the firm is based on the relationship of R and K, that is internal rate of return R and capitalization rate K. So, in this case R, the rate of return is more than the cost of capital or capitalization rate. In such a case, we call it as a growth firm or a growing firm. So, here it is 15% and the capitalization rate is 12.5%. So, the firm is a growth firm. So, in case of a growth firm, the optimum dividend payout ratio is 0, which means that the firm should not pay dividend at all. Now, at optimum dividend payout ratio, that is at 0% dividend payout ratio, we have to find out the share price. So, the determination of share price at the optimum payout ratio. So, the dividend per share at the optimum payout ratio is 0. So, we can find out the price of the share. So, price of the share P is equal to market price of the equity share P is equal to dividend plus rate of return into earnings per share minus dividend per share divided by the cost of capital, that is the capitalization rate, whole divided by the cost of capital. So, in this case, the dividend is 0 plus the rate of return 15%, 0.15 into 10 minus 0 divided by 0.125 whole divided by 0.125, which is equal to rupees 96. So, at optimum payout ratio, that is in case of a growth firm, the optimum payout ratio is 0. At optimum payout ratio, the market price of the share is rupees 96. Now, we have to find out the share price if the payout ratio is 20%. Now, when the dividend payout ratio is 20%, the dividend per share is should be 20. 10 into 20%, that is rupees 2. Now, in this case, the price of the share is equal to dividend plus R into rate of return into earnings minus dividend divided by cost of equity, cost of capital whole divided by the cost of capital. Now, the dividend is 2 rupees plus 0.15 into 10 minus 2 divided by 0.125 whole divided by 0.125, which is equal to 92.80. So, the share price at dividend payout ratio 20% is 92.80 and the share price at the optimum payout ratio is rupees 96. Students, if you have any doubts, you can ask me. Thank you.